yeah, quick look at the doors and the struts. So we've got the Henninger door bar here with the spring in the middle, powder coated, nice unit. Sadly Mr. Henninger passed away in the last month. And we've also got the DeLoreanGo new strut here, which has got the sort of slow opening sort of function on it. Which is that one. And on the driver's side we've got the original stainless DeLorean torsion bar, sort of factory fit. I've not touched this one, and the DeLorean Europe strut here. Whereas I have of course adjusted the Henninger bar. So quick look at these. Obviously you can't be completely fair in terms of what you're seeing now, because of course it depends on what sort of splines you've got your torsion bar set to. So of course, you know, if you get a bounce then you can reduce it, but you're more likely to get the bounce in the summer when everything's warm, whereas in winter I believe the struts don't work as well because they're cold, so you probably look less likely to get bounce then. So maybe a little bit of bounce right now in you know, what I call the height of summer, which it is today, is probably acceptable in the UK, because in the winter it probably means there's no bounce. Well, that's what I think anyway. Pretty sure that's what I read. So that's the new DeLoreanGo one. It's good. Actually, a slight bit of bounce. I could, of course, like I mentioned, reduce the a spline or two, but for winter I think it'll be okay. This original setup. Very similar, I would say. Bear in mind they've got different torsion bars on, and obviously differently adjusted. But yeah, I'm definitely pleased with all of that. So I think that's sweet. The reason I didn't do both struts with DeLoreanGo is because the DeLorean Europe one on the driver's side is only about 6 months old, and you know, of course, hardly any use. So I don't want to really sort of throw away another bit of money on buying another one for that. But I did want to try out the DeLoreanGo one on that door because of the strut that I took off